How much is your inventory costing you? Let's see how Microsoft Dynamics GP and our Menino Stock Count Import tool can work together to ensure you have accurate inventory counts. Many companies find out when it's too late that they have a stock out situation. This pig ticket was returned by our warehouse as out of stock. During this demonstration, what we'll cover is deciding which items we need to count, freezing the inventory, then we'll count the items and import the counts into the system. Finally, we'll print variance reports and research and resolve the variances that we find. The first step in the case of a stockout situation would be to look at the quantities on hand in the system. Let's take a look at our current items. We can see here that there are 37 available, so we need to find out why the warehouse wasn't able to find enough to fill our order. Since it's been a while since we've counted our phone items, we'll count the ones we weren't able to ship plus all of the other phone items as well. Dynamics allows you to select which items you'll count by warehouse, item, type, even ABC code. We're going to navigate to a count schedule I've already created. Each of these can be created and reused at any point in time. Here we'll pull up the April items to count. Once we've selected the count, we'll start the count, which will freeze the inventory, taking a snapshot of the quantities the system shows at this time. We'll continue to ship and receive during this period if desired. Once the count's been started, we're ready to create a template. This will allow us to either enter the counts quickly and easily in Excel or count scanning barcodes and using an external device to capture those counts. In our case, we've used Excel. You can enter the counts and see here we've entered them in column D. And in column C, we're entering serial or lot numbers for those items that require them. Further down, you're going to see that there are some items that do not require serial and lot numbers, so none have been provided. Once the counts are complete, we'll import the counts into the system. We'll navigate to find the stock count we had previously started. Here we'll locate the April items to count. Then we'll choose Import to navigate to the desktop, which is where we placed the inventory count file. Once we go to the desktop, we'll be able to see that the aprilcounts.txt file is here for us to select. Once we've selected it, we can choose to print the variance report to the screen, the printer, or a variety of different file types. The variance report allows us to determine which items require further recount. In this example, we have large variances, more than 5% on several items, but we do see that we have 73 on hand of our 100 XLG green phone. Those have all been found during the course of the physical inventory, so good news, we can fill the order. The final step is to process the count, which will update those quantities on hand. We've just illustrated how our solution can reduce costs by eliminating manual entry and improving variance reporting, allowing you to have more accurate inventory to fulfill your orders. For more information on our Menino Stock Count Import tool, contact us or visit us on the web.